Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of the 12 Bottle Bar. Today we're gonna learn how to make a Southside. So, without further ado, let's get mixing. This cocktail probably originated in the Southside Sportsman Club in Long Island, New York in the late 1800s. Like all the drink we're gonna do on the 12 Bottle Bar, it requires very few ingredients, it's really easy to make, and it's absolutely delicious. All you're gonna need for this is some gin, sugar syrup, lime juice, and some fresh mint. So, we're gonna grab a shaker. This is a shaken drink. If you don't have a shaker, a jar with a lid, a Tupperware, any container will work just fine. And we're gonna add a few mint leaves. Then we're gonna add 25 ml of our lime juice, 20 ml of sugar syrup, and 50 ml of gin. And now we're just gonna give it a good shake with a single nice piece of ice. There we are. And shake it like we stole it. Once again, shaker is nice and frosty, that means the drink is cold. Beautiful texture. We're gonna pick again our favorite glass. Like for the business, I'm using Remy Savage Pony Coupette. And now we're gonna fine strain it to remove the little pieces of ice and eventually of mint leaves. And look at this color, this looks beautiful. And all we're gonna need to do is garnish it with a nice, fresh mint leaf. And here you go guys, the fantastic Southside. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment what drink you would like to see featured on the channel. And if it's not already done, please subscribe down below so you won't miss any upcoming episode and it will greatly help the channel. And I will see you in the next episode.